Hey there, pharma professionals! Today, I'm diving into effective root cause analysis techniques, the 5 whys, Fishbone Diagram, and CAPA. If you're looking to streamline your problem-solving process, you're in the right place. Let's start with the 5 whys. Developed by Sakichi Toyota, this method is all about asking why 5 times to drill down to the root cause of any issue. Simple, right? Here's how it works in a pharma context. Imagine you have a batch contamination issue. First, why? Why did the contamination occur? Because the sterilization process failed. Second, why? Why did the sterilization process fail? The sterilization machine malfunctioned. Third, why? Why did it malfunction? Because it wasn't maintained properly. Fourth, why? Why wasn't it maintained properly? There wasn't a scheduled maintenance plan. Fifth, why? Why wasn't there a scheduled maintenance plan? Because of a lack of a preventative maintenance policy. Now, you've identified the root cause. Next up, the Fishbone Diagram, also known as the Ishikawa or cause and effect diagram. This tool helps you visually map out potential causes of a problem. Draw a horizontal line and add the problem at the end. Then, draw branches for categories like equipment, process, people, and environment. For example, if your issue is inconsistent tablet weight, you'd list potential causes under each category. Maybe under process, you'd note variability in mixing times. This visual approach ensures you don't overlook any possible causes. Finally, let's talk about CAPA, Corrective and Preventive Action. This is a regulatory requirement in pharma and medical device industries. CAPA involves a systematic investigation of the root cause of identified problems or risks. Corrective actions address immediate issues, while preventive actions aim to eliminate the root cause to prevent recurrence. For instance, if an audit reveals a documentation error, a corrective action might be to retrain staff. A preventive action could be implementing a double-check system to avoid future errors. By integrating the 5 whys, Fishbone Diagram, and CAPA into your quality management system, you can enhance problem-solving efficiency and compliance. Remember, thorough root cause analysis not only fixes problems, but helps prevent them. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more pharma insights. Until next time, keep elevating your standards.